Hello friends, today we will see how to create a channel in WhatsApp. First of all, go to Play Store and update your WhatsApp. If you're using WhatsApp business, update the WhatsApp business, else the normal WhatsApp. Once it is updated, you will see a tab here. This is update. Instead of status, now it is replaced by update. Click on this update. So all your status will be visible here in this tab. This is where you will be able to see your statuses, all your friend status, and here you will be able to see all the channels. So you can see here, so click on this plus icon, then click on create channel. So this WhatsApp create channel feature is rolling out slowly. So if you are not seeing this create channel, it will be available to you in short time. So WhatsApp is rolling out this feature slowly. Now click on continue. So once you have this create channel link, type your channel name, give the description, and put the photo in it, and click on create channel. So this will create your channel like this, and now you will be able to see your channel here. Once the channel is created, you will be able to see a edit option in your channel where you can post your updates. Please share it with your friends and subscribe to skool.online. Thank you very much. Bye bye.